Hello guys, how can you create this aura sunset effect in Photoshop like this? First, go to File, New. Create a new document with the required settings. Make sure the background color is black. Click Create. Now select the Shape tool, Ellipse tool. Draw an ellipse on the canvas. Go to the color settings. Select Gradient. Open the Gradient editor. Now choose or create sunset colors. Adjust the color points inside the gradient. Add an ending color point if needed. Fine-tune the gradient colors. Press OK. Change the gradient type from linear to radial. Use the Move tool to position it properly. Press Ctrl+T to resize and adjust the ellipse. Make sure everything looks smooth. Convert the ellipse layer into a smart object. Go to Filter Blur, Gaussian Blur. Set the radius to 9.5 pixels. Press OK. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the ellipse layer. Drag the copied ellipse below the original. Open Gaussian Blur again. Set the radius around 185 pixels. Press OK. Now go to File, Place Embedded. Insert your image. Press OK. Go to Select Subject. Press Ctrl+J to create a copy. Turn off the original image layer. Select the subject image layer. Go to Image Adjustments, Black and White. Press OK. Convert this layer into a smart object. Go again to Select Subject. Create a layer mask. Go to Adjustment, Layer Gradient Map. Open the Gradient Editor. Select Sunset Style Colors. Adjust the color points. Add a brighter middle color for sunset light. You can note the color codes if needed. Press OK. Adjust the scale, around 34 or 23. At the end I added 23. Open the Gradient Editor again. Add a similar sunset color to the upper side. Press OK. Go to Blending Options. Set the blending mode to multiply. Convert the layer into a clipping mask. Use the Move tool. Adjust the image position as you like. Fine-tune until it looks natural. That's it. This is how you can create an aura/sunset effect in Photoshop.